This is the vehicle of one of my subscribers, and they have one of the stickers that I sell on my website, which this will prevent criminals from messing with your vehicle. Over here we have one of the towels that I sell, Howpat Hawaiian camouflage pattern. It looks like a regular beach towel, but you could wrap gear up in it and hide it in the bushes if you wanted to. So it's a combination of tactical and gray man. Over here we have knockoff Gerber strong arm. We got some chem lights, we got some bug spray, we got an Olight Warrior right here. First aid kit down here. It's got tourniquets in it. It's got ace wraps in it. It's got everything you need for basic trauma situations. Some utilities here. I don't want to violate this person's privacy because they have some personal items in here. Here's a smaller little Olight flashlight, just so you can kind of see things in low light conditions. There's some chem lights in the car kit. Guys, I seriously recommend you get one of these Molly car kits. These Molly car kits are not that expensive, and the companies that sell them, they're all practically the same. You really can't go wrong. It's just a piece of paneling. I recommend everybody have one, so that way you know where all your stuff is, and you have all your essentials right where you need them, and they're easy for you to access. Me personally, I wouldn't put them in the trunk of a car like this. It's just a matter of preference that I wouldn't put them there. I want quick access to all my tools. But as you can see, this subscriber of mine is making good use of their gear, and they're also making good use of the products that I sell, which I stand behind. You know, this is a very good towel, and it, like I said, it looks like a beach towel, and you bring it with you to the beach. But you also have the capability of, you know, wrapping your gear up in it and hiding your gear in the bushes, which is a pretty good thing. You know, you got gray man and you got tactical both at the same time. Jerub Farm makes quality merchandise, guys. Support Jerub Farm. Support the operation. Deterrence factors, stickers that say there's video and audio, things like that, are incredibly good deterrents against criminals and things like that. It's good to have these things, and you should definitely have these in your car. I know a lot of people say you put them on your house. But I'm leaning more in the direction of having these types of early warning, or not early warning, but these types of deterrents can also be on your car. Like I said, if you literally have a sticker on your car that says this vehicle records video and audio, and it has that fancy Wi-Fi looking symbol that makes it look like it's broadcasted live somewhere, that makes people think it's some kind of cop car or some type of law enforcement or maybe some type of live streamer. It just makes people not want to mess with that vehicle. I sell these stickers on my website. You can get them. This is how to make your car a harder target without painting it camouflage and getting utterly ridiculous like we have on some of our other vehicles. You know, as well as having just a good vehicle organizer so you can have all your stuff. I didn't go into this person's vehicle organizer because I don't, like I said, it's not really mine. I don't want to violate their privacy. This isn't my vehicle. But I definitely recommend you keep a vehicle organizer in your car 100%. And guys, just stay safe out there, and just know that, you know, we live in uncertain times, and there's people that don't like us. There's people that want to kill us just because we're Americans, because in part because our government has done some really messed up stuff. So that's something to remember. There's people out there that take it personally, the fact that our leaders have dropped bombs on them, and part of you can't blame them really, but it's either here nor there. The bottom line is they want to hurt us. Whatever their reason for wanting to hurt us, there's people out there that want to hurt us. Remember that, and be ready, be prepared, stay safe, guys. Jordan Jerub signing off.